Hello everyone, warmly welcome to my YouTube channel Hari PS Videos. After 2 weeks, I back to the session because of due to my some personal works and due to my TET exam. So the last 2 weeks, means the last Sundays, I did not make any suggestion. So now I came back to our means I came back to the YouTube channel. So Hari PS Videos, right? I hope everything is going well, and maybe in all the schools, the 10th class syllabus completed. So maybe one or two topics may be left in your school. So whatever, very happy to come back to the channel, and so by this session I will also complete the class 10 syllabus, both physics and chemistry, and so if it is possible, then I will start the revision. Means during the revision we will discuss question and answers from the government textbook. That's for that your encouragement is important. Why? Because number of subscribers sometimes increasing and sometimes decreasing. I don't know, maybe you have some personal reasons, but share the channel with your friends or relatives who are studying class 10 in various schools. Then ask them to watch once. If they like, then they will subscribe, and ask them to watch first of all. Your encouragement give me boost for me. So I made some more videos. If there any default, so please make a comment. I many times I asking you, and but due to your reasons, because of the class 10, so much of pressure on you, so I have to understand. But during these Sundays, during these holidays, during your revision, during your holidays, so spend now at least half an hour time and watch my videos and share with your friends. Then give me a like. Whenever more likes come, then more the people are able to see my videos, and means your likes, your comments makes my channel to reach more people. So I requesting you all the subscribers and the viewers, please follow, subscribe my YouTube channel if you did not subscribe still. So thank you so much, and sorry for the late. Maximum this is the time. Maybe I have take 2 weeks of time for our video, for uploading the videos. Really and extremely sorry for that. Due to my TET exam, so I was so busy while preparing for examination. Same thing, due to my personal work also, I did not make videos. In between, I want to make some videos, some suggestions and requests to you children. So later, after this completion of session, I will give some requests, some suggestions to you. Accordingly, you have to follow, and follow and subscribe. So still much time, not much time. Maximally, you have 120 days of time. So after the holidays of Sankranti, some festivals, so whatever maximum Next, exactly you have 120 days of time, or 120 or 150 days of time maximum. In that, some days will gone for holidays due to your health issues, due to the exams, whatever. So maybe division starts in almost in all schools. Then, if it is possible, we will discuss some model papers. So that depends on your encouragement, right? So thank you so much. Anyway, sorry, and let's start the session. Let's start the session with direct current and alternate current. As previous sessions, we discussed what is the magnetic effect of electric current, then magnetic field by three different cases: a straight wire, and a circular coil, and a solenoid. And also we discussed what happened when a current carrying wire placed in a magnetic field, and we explained the Fleming rules, Ampere's rule, right hand rule, right hand thumb rule, right hand rule, left hand rule. So some rules are we discussed for understanding the magnetic field formed by solenoid, current, circular coil, and a straight conducting wire. Then we also discussed the force, how much force is acts when a current carrying wire placed in a magnetic field. So almost we came for conclusion. Then before, let us understand direct current and alternate current. If the current flows only in one direction, if the current flows only one direction is called as direct current. So this direct current we have to observe. If a battery is connected in the electric circuit, right? Battery or a cell is direct current because of always shows the same direction. As we discussed in the chapter electric current. When a cell or a battery is connected in the circuit, so what will happen? So the current flows only one direction. That is from right positive terminal to the negative terminal. So only one direction. So the current which is flowing in the electric circuit due to the connecting a cell or a battery is called as direct current. It's called as direct. The positive and negative polarity of direct current is fixed. Right? Positive to negative. So it is a fixed. So that's why it is called as direct current. Some of the sources of direct current are dry cell battery, car battery, and DC generators. So generators, the device which is to produce electric current. Actually, in a old class 10 textbook, there are the electric motor and DC generator and AC generator. Some topics are there, but in this new textbook, these topics are not included. Then, if the current flows, if the direction of current change, that current we can call as alternative current. The direction of current is always change is called as AC current. AC current means alternate current. Here this is called as DC current, and this is called as AC current. Alternate current, DC current. Alternate current and DC current. So the current reverse direction after equal intervals of time. If the direction of current, if the direction of the current reverse, the direction of current is reverse in a interval of time, in a certain interval of time, reverse direction after equal intervals of time, equal intervals of time, you can call alternate current. AC, alternate current. The current which is using in our homes for electrical appliances is example for alternative current, right? Alternating current is written in short form AC or ISC. The current which we get from power station, is alternate current because it keeps reverse or changing in a direction of flow, in the circuit works. Whatever we are using in the home, in our houses, factory, shops, whatever. So the current we get from the power stations is the example for alternate current. So the direction of a current or the flow of current is reversed at certain intervals of time. Positive and negative terminal of polarity of an alternate current is not fixed. Some of the sources will produce alternating current are powerhouse generators, car alternators, bicycle dynamos produces alternate current. So simply, if the current flows only one direction, we can call as direct current, we can call as DC. The direction of the current, flow of current reverse after certain intervals of time, we can call as alternate current. So the direction of current will change in the circuit after certain intervals of time. We should be understand when you know about how the generators in the power stations produce, or power generation stations produce the electric current. So that topic not given. So simply keep in mind. So we are using alternative current. Both AC and DC, alternative current and DC current, can be used for lighting and heating purpose. But radios, televisions, etc. need DC supply. So the radios, televisions, refrigerators having a special device inside them. Radios, TVs, refrigerators having special devices inside them. That special devices are called as rectifiers. You can call as rectifiers. These rectifiers sometimes, some other cases, you can call as stabilizer. Stabilizer or the rectifier is a device which converts AC to DC. Alternative current to direct current. So previous years, very long previous years, television, we should use, means those days the people should use the stabilizer. The stabilizer is convert the alternate current to direct current. Alternate current to direct current are rectifiers are also called as the rectifiers. Since an alternating current reverse in direction of flow after certain intervals of time, it is said to have frequency. So in our country, the voltage of current is 222 240 volts, some 222 240, but maximum we consider as 220 volts. Similarly, due to the direction of current changes after intervals of time, so it has some frequency. So the frequency of AC means in alternate current is 50 Hz. The frequency of alternate current is the rate. At which it reverts the direction for second. Is called as frequency of alternate current. The frequency of alternate current is 50 Hz in our country. Since the direct current DC flows steadily in one direction only, therefore it has no frequency. So the frequency of direct current can be considered to be zero. So frequency of direct current, frequency of DC current is direct current is 0 Hz because it has only one direction. So in case of alternate current in circuit, for example, the household circuits, for every certain intervals of time, the current direction is changed. The flow of current direction is changing. So that's why we can say that AC current. But AC current, some AC current has some advantages over the direct current, because alternate current transmitted over long distances without much loss of electrical energy. So from the power stations, the current is flowing to the wires, to the lines, current line from a longer distances only. So the current which are coming from the power stations is example for alternate current. The voltage of alternate current can be changed or increased. So the voltage of AC current is changed. Means we are able to increase and we are able to decrease by using a device called transformer. We are able to use the transformers, right? So from the transformers, in case of high voltage of current should be converted to low voltage, the low voltage can be converted into high voltage. The voltage of alternating current can be changed easily as per need by using devices called transformer. These transformers do not work with direct current to change its voltage. By using a device called transformers, we can change the voltage of alternate current. Alternate current is easy to generate, so it is less expensive than DC. advantages of alternate current. So easily generate. It is easy to generate. Easy to generate. So take less expensive. Producing DC current is more expensive, right? Then AC can be readily converted into DC. AC current easily convert into DC, but we cannot means it is very difficult to convert DC to AC. It is very difficult to convert DC current to AC, but we are able to convert alternate current to DC current, right? So these are the advantages of alternate current. Now the voltage of AC is changed by using a device called as a transformer. Then easy to generate and take less cost. And we already discussed by using stabilizers or the rectifiers, we can change AC current to DC current. So these are about direct current and alternate current. So in our home appliances, we are getting electricity. From power station is an example for alternate current, right? So this is about direct current